Okay guys, हम आज safety measures in workshop को अलि पढिरहेको छौँ. So today we are talking about safety measures in workshop and who do we need safety measures in workshop. This is a very simple chapter, a chapter that we need to learn in grade 1, but we're learning in bachelor's. But whatever, why safety measures we need to prevent ourselves and others from harm and prevent machines from taking damage because machines are expensive and accident. But yes, still an accident might happen because they are unplanned incident involving injury or fatality. They're not like we wanted the accident happen, they just happened. Accidents occur when series of unreleased events coincide at a certain time and place, and they can be from few events to a dozen or more. And accident causes are unsafe act, unsafe condition, etc. Like it can be act by injured person or another person which caused the accident, environmental hazards, and there can be accident like struck by a struck by lightning, strip caught on the same level, cotton struck against that vehicle, fell from the ladder, fell on him, over exertion of force and contact with electricity, equipment, vibration, a lot of stuff. So immediate causes are operating without authority and using equipment improperly, correct lifting procedures not established, drinking or drug use, equipment not properly secured, and not using PPE. So we have to be safe from accidents. So we need to. For that, we need to follow safety measures. There's general safety, personal safety, machine and equipment safety, and job safety. You have to save yourself as well, bro. You're gonna get kicked out if you make mistakes, mess up. So there's our safety rules which we don't have to go in much depth. That we can just write it very just enter in the workshop. We have to enter the workshop with proper attire. Don't wear fancy attire and accessories. You might get electric shock from your metal accessories, your gold. So don't enter a workshop with fancy clothes. You're gonna get dirty and not good. That's not gonna be good. So enter clothes with which are just very much fitting on you, tight fit. With a tight fit, close fit, rather than tight fit, and you have to follow the safety rules that the authority has provided to you because they are doing this for you, not like forcing you to do that. You cannot, you might not want to do that, but that's for you. You have to wear appropriate clothing and personal protection equipment. Maybe it's your eye goggles, your earplug, whatever. You can use personal protection equipment. Housekeeping refers to the placement of the materials of the workshop like the seesaws, hammers, and chisels, files, screwdrivers in a proper place. Because if you just throw them around in the ground, someone might just step on them or trip on them and cut their feet or just fall down and cause serious injury. So please do pray, place the all the equipment in the proper place. That's good housekeeping. And if you say if there's any accident, just report them accident immediately. If you see a fire, just yell fire, fire, fire. Not like that, but just yell fire. Don't be scared. Well, fire. If you can, try to put out that fire. But if you are not experienced with it, just don't try. Just yell and while leaving the workshop. Make sure you clean yourself because you got dirty, very dirty in the workshop. You clean yourself, put all the equipment in the proper place, like clean and not make a mess in the workshop. And that will be pretty much it for our safety measures. That's what we have to do. Use earplugs, long hair must be tied back, long beard, no long beard must be covered by dust beard, use dust mask, look up material, and then that's all. This is all what I just said. Report and onboard accidents, faulty tools. Immediately report the workshop supervisor if any accident, hazard, or miss occurs. Unsafe road issues. So that was that, and make sure you leave the notice evacuation procedure And let's imagine emergency, clean up the room, put looks and tools and scrap materials in proper location. And useful hands are everyone in the workshop must interact properly for maintaining safe work environment. Prevention is better than cure. It's cheaper as well. So different for cutting tools are files, chisels, hammers, saws, screwdrivers, wrenches. Use files. Do not use hand. Yeah. Do not use your hand to clean the file, and do not use it without a handle, and do not use it like a hammer. It is brittle and will break, and it might cut you. Chisels, hold the chisel in such a way that blowing hammer may not miss the chisel to injure your hand. So, so do not use hands to touch edges of metal cut by chisel, because they are sharp. You will get cut. Flanks are dangerous. Wear transparent plastic safety goggles and a shield while using chisel, and remove sharp edges by filling or grinding. And hammers, make sure you use the hammers tightly. Don't put it in a high place where it can fall, because it can cause serious injury. And do not hold the hammer too far on handle. We might slip it away, and it might go and hit someone else on their head, and they'll fall. That's it. And one should not taste the sharpness of the blade but running finger across the teeth of the saws. Do not do that. That's idiotic. Use saw very carefully. Your blade breaks, causes serious injury, not just injury. Wear goggles to prevent from flying tips, and store it properly. Don't accidentally reach teeth of saw, right? And screwdrivers, while working on electric equipment, use screwdriver with proper handle. Wear goggles in sharpening screwdrivers. Tip it's correct tip of screwdriver according to type of screw, otherwise it may damage work. So use correct tip and correct that, right? Screwdriver. And wrenches are always pull the wrench instead of pushing, so that pulling has wide range control and pushing less chance of injury. So that's more simpler, right? It's just being recorded.